Hello, hello, hello. Yes, it is such a day, yeah, such a mighty fun day. Woo! We're going to talk about criticism again. Now, quite a long time ago, somebody said to another person, she could never sing the melody of a song. You know, a cover song. That person came back and told me it, and they thought I'd be really upset. Well, at the time I was. And, you know, I basically said, it's true. I didn't. And I didn't want to sing the melody of the song. I always wanted to change it. And even though it's true and that's what I wanted to do, I really had to consider, as time went on, not the person and what they said, but what was said as a separate item. And that's what we're talking about. Some people are going to say things. I wrote 4 reasons why they might do it. They want to hurt you, okay? They mean well for you, and they just let their feelings slip. Or they're repeating what they said. You know, it's being repeated by a third party. And then, you know, that person might say it in such a way that might influence you, and it wasn't really meant in the same way as it was said by the first person. You know how that goes. When things are repeated, they change. The nature of them changes. So what I want you to consider is not who said it. Yeah, okay, they said it. You have your feelings. And then you have to consider what was said exactly. Because we as artists have to be open. Oh, I love the beats. We have to be open to looking at the item that was said. Is it really true? And I said that in the other video about criticism. But in this one, we have a different aspect here. You may consider what was said or not want to listen. You can have a closed mind to it, especially because of the person, you know. And you can be open to change, or you could be offended. So you put your feelings in front of your brain. Okay. Change how you approach the cover songs, or like how you sing the covers, and not want to change. You might just say, well, I sing the melody of it enough, but I just have this little thing that I change. Now, this is for people who love to make it their own, okay? So many people do not want to do that. They love it exactly as it is. They sing it exactly as it is, and they follow the singer. They even do inflections like the singer. Oh, no, not all the time, because that's not just you, okay? So you've got to do it like you love it. Then again, you have to have an open mind. And number 4 you're considering, be willing to see if they're right. Or you could be stubborn. You have those choices. Now, maybe the person is wrong in their attitude, but what they're saying is right. Okay, so, you know, I knew the person and their motives. Okay, so at first I was stubborn, but it made me think and consider how I'd approach covers. You see, I just pulled back a little bit and didn't look at that person. I thought about, could I maybe sing some of the melodies exactly? Could I change it up a little bit? Could anything be worked for good, what was meant for bad? So somebody wanted to slice me up, and instead I turned it around and I utilized it. And so what I did was, sometimes I did sing the melody exactly, and it was because of that person, and even though they meant, you know, a little jab, I turned it around. So that's the same in life. Turn around what is meant for bad, turn it around for good, utilize it. That's life. That's us as artists. No matter what the person, their motives, who is saying it, maybe third party, change it up. Always change things for your good. It's your life. Make it really good. It's your talent. It's your artistry. It's your voice. Use it for good. And you are the winner. Woo! 'Cause it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fun day. Woo! Hey guys, tell me what you think about this in the comments, okay? I love the beats. Okay, bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.